With commanding presence and quiet luxury, the 1969 Mercury Marquis Brougham stood as a bold declaration that American full-size cars could blend brute power with refined elegance. At over 18 feet long and weighing nearly 4,500 pounds, the Brougham was more than a carrette, was a rolling lounge for the upwardly mobile, boasting luxury features and powerful V8 performance that rivaled its more expensive Lincoln cousins. Beneath its sculpted hood sat a standard 429 cubic inch 7.0L V8 engine that produced 360 horsepower and a formidable 480 pounds ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 3-speed C6 automatic transmission, this engine gave the Marquis Brougham the ability to glide confidently on highways while delivering surprising acceleration for such a large vehicle. The ride quality was enhanced by Mercury's heavy-duty suspension, power-assisted steering, and optional features like automatic climate control, cruise control, power seats, and a tilt-away steering wheel. Inside, deep pile carpeting, genuine wood grain trim, and wide bench seats upholstered in brocade or leather invited passengers into an environment more akin to a personal parlor than a mere automobile cabin. In comparison to its stablemates like the Ford LTD or the Lincoln Continental, the Mercury Marquis Brougham offered a sweet spot of value and prestige. It shared its chassis with the Lincoln, but came at a lower price point, making it an attractive option for those seeking premium features. Without venturing into the ultra-luxury segment, it also held a slight edge in performance over the Limited thanks to its more powerful engine options and added insulation for a quieter ride. Against rivals like the Buick Electra 225 and Chrysler New Yorker, the Marquis Brougham stood out for its smooth power delivery and Mercury's understated Elegance, middle ground between Ford's mainstream appeal and Lincoln's stately image. Historically, the 1969 Marquis Brougham represents a high point in Mercury's quest to establish itself. As a premium brand within the Ford Motor Company lineup, it reflected the growing American appetite in the late 60s for prestige, space, and V8 performance wrapped in sharp styling. With its vertical grille, hidden headlights, and formal roof, it helped define the visual language of Mercury's top-tier offerings during that era. Looking toward the future, the 1969 Marquis Brougham holds strong potential as a collectible classic appreciated for its rarity, sheer presence, and connection to a time when full-size cars ruled American roads. As electric vehicles reshaped the automotive world, icons like the Brougham may stand as rolling monuments to a past era of Detroit's grand expression of comfort, power, and class.